Today, we are gonna fix Sons of the Forest stuck on loading screen problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. There are two solutions to solve the Sons of the Forest stuck on loading screen problem. The first one is to optimize our computer for Sons of the Forest. We start with updates. To update Windows, we type update into the search bar and click on the first option. Then we click on check for updates. As you can see, my Windows is up to date. If there are any updates available on your computer, make sure to install them. Next, we update our graphics card. You can manually download and install the latest driver for your graphics card from the manufacturer's website or use apps such as GeForce Experience and AMD Radeon to automatically update it. We open our graphics card app and click on drivers. Then, we click on check for updates. Our program will help us find the latest driver update. As you can see in the notification, the latest driver is already installed on my computer. So there is no update available. We have updated our graphics card as well. The first step is completed. Our second step is enable disable full screen optimization and disable run this program as an admin. To make these settings, we will navigate to the game's file location. If you haven't made any changes, Steam is usually installed on C drive. Since I installed it on the D drive, I click on D. We find and click on Steam folder. Then we navigate to Steam apps, Common, and finally Sons of the Forest. We right click on the Sons of the Forest.exe and click on Properties. In the window that appears, we click on Compatibility. We tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then we make sure that Run this program as an admin is not ticked. To save the changes we made, we click on Apply and OK. Our third step is to select high performance from graphics settings. This way, the game will run with our powerful graphics card. Right click on the desktop and select display settings. Scroll down and click on graphics settings at the bottom. Click on browse. As in the second step, we open the game's file location and select Sons of the Forest.exe and click add. Then click on options. Select high performance and click save. The fourth step is clear game data. To go to the location where the game data is stored, we press the Windows key and R key. In the small window that opens, we type %local app data %low. We enter the nlight folder. Here, we need to delete the Sons of the Forest folder. However, if you want to continue playing the game from where you left off, don't delete the saves file in the folder. When we delete the remaining files, we complete this step. Our fifth step is disable overlay programs. As the name suggests, these applications can work on top of other applications. The most common overlay programs are Steam and Discord. To disable overlay in Steam, we open Steam settings and click on In-game in the left menu. By unchecking the first box that appears, the overlay will be disabled. You can close the window by clicking OK. To disable the Discord overlay, we go to the Discord settings and scroll down to Game Overlay. By turning off the Enable In-Game Overlay feature, the overlay will be disabled. That completes our fifth step. Our sixth step is to keep antivirus, anti-cheat, and boost programs closed while playing the game. Such programs may prevent the game from working properly. You can either add Sons of the Forest as an exception, or simply turn them off while playing the game. You can access these programs from the Hidden Icons section. First, I am turning off my antivirus program. Then I am turning off boost apps such as Razer Cortex. Step 7 is to verify our game files. Open Steam and go to the library. Right click on the game and select Properties. In the left menu, click on Local Files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will start the process of repairing the Sons of the Forest files, which can take 3 to 4 minutes. Once the verify process is completed, we can move to the step 8 by opening the game. First, to make it easier for the game to start up, we press Alt and Enter keys when the black screen appears, which will switch the game to Windows mode. While the game is running, we open the Task Manager. Then, we right click on all the apps that we know we don't use while playing the game and select End Task. For example, WhatsApp might be running in the background, but I don't use it while playing the game, so I close it. You should close any unnecessary background application on your computer as well. You can stop at the Windows processes. We shouldn't close any apps after that. We scroll up and right click on Sons of the Forest, then click Go to Details. Here, we right click on the Sons of the Forest.x and select Set Priority. Then, set the priority to High. When we click on Change Priority, our computer will run the game more efficiently. We optimize our computer for Sons of the Forest as much as possible. Unfortunately, there is no definitive solution to this problem, so optimization is necessary. I hope these steps have solved your problem. If this solution doesn't work for you, we have another solution. Our second solution is to reinstall the game. Actually, we won't be reinstalling the game. The reinstall process will take 3 minutes and our files will not be deleted. Of course, you can completely uninstall and reinstall the game if you want. It's up to you. We open Steam. Right click on the game. First, click on Manage and then click on Browse Local Files. We open the game file location. We select the files here and cut them. Then we enter the common folder. Here we create a new folder and paste the game files we cut into this folder. It doesn't matter what the name of the file is. After moving the game files to this folder, we delete the original game folder. We enter Steam and uninstall the game. Don't worry, the files won't go anywhere. We click on Install. We click on Install again and install the game in the same location. After the download starts, we stop the download. As you can see, new Sons of the Forest file is created. We delete the game we stopped downloading again. And we cut and paste the game files to newly created folder. Now we click on Install one last time. This time, Steam will scan the files we placed and treat them as if it were reinstalling. This way, if there is a problem caused by installation, we will have solved it. As you can see, we are not reinstalling the game, but we refine the files. The reinstallation process is complete. Now we can start the game. This is our second and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.